Wow, that was so fun to paint, especially since I was actually at the beach not too long ago. So I came and got my phone and I used my reference photos. And as you can see, look at the sand. It matches. I was like super lucky. So I got these colors. I mean, the ocean waves don't really match the ocean waves. They're kind of greenish, but I really don't care. So what I did is I used my reference photos, and I'll provide these reference photos for you. If you click right here and become a Create Flow Art member, you'll get this as a reference photo, and then some of these beach photos that I took just the other day because I'm in Florida. And that's what I used to create my painting here. And using a reference photo, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, you can paint from real life or a reference photo. When I paint an ocean wave and I'm out on the ocean trying to paint it, I use a reference photo because they're coming in so fast that you can't capture a perfect wave in 2 seconds trying to paint. So using a reference photo is ideal when you're painting an ocean. And then how I paint my ocean wave and get it to look like an ocean wave is I make sure that I paint the correct value, which is the darkness or lightness of a color, and I put that in the right spots. So it's going to be darker here, and then it's going to have a contrast of this white right here where it's crashing, this wave is crashing over, and then this comes and lightens out. So I talk about these things in my weekly art lessons, and you can click right here and get those weekly art lessons where I show you how to pinpoint all the different things and help you like see things for what they are. And I also teach you how to use color and value and all those things that you're going to need to know to become a better artist. So click right here to become a Create Flow Art member, and then you can watch more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!